You're earning more than 90% of this country. And you're still anxious opening your bank app before a grocery run. That's not a you problem. That's a trap, and it was built specifically for people at your income level. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly who built it, how it works, and how to break out of it. Let's go. Here's a number that should genuinely disturb you. PYMNTS Intelligence surveyed over 4,000 Americans and found that nearly half of people earning over $100,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck, half six figures. Paycheck to paycheck, and people earning over $200,000? 1 in 3 same situation, waiting on that next deposit just to stay afloat. This isn't bad budgeting, this is an engineered pattern. And the people who built it are getting rich off your confusion. So let's name them. Villain number 1, the tax illusion. You think a $140,000 salary means $140,000 in your pocket. That's the first lie. After federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, that $140,000 becomes $85,000 to $100,000 in actual take-home. California or New York? Maybe $80,000. You lost $50,000 before buying a single thing, so you're not working with $140,000, you're working with $8,000 a month now. $8,000 sounds solid until reality hits. Rent in any major city, $2,500 to $3,500. That's already 44% of your take-home. Add car payment, insurance, student loans, groceries, utilities, phone, gym, Netflix, work clothes. You've got maybe $1,500 left for savings. Emergencies. Your entire life. That's not a salary, that's a gilded cage. Quick question, and be honest, if your paycheck stopped tomorrow, how many months could you actually survive? Less than 3. You're not financially secure. You're financially performing. Big difference. Villain number 2, lifestyle inflation, the silent assassin. This one doesn't rob you all at once. It moves in slowly. Upgrades your life one reasonable decision at a time. You got a raise, $75,000 to $120,000. That's a $45,000 difference. You should have banked most of it. But what actually happened? Nicer apartment because you deserved it. Car upgrade because the old one felt embarrassing. Better restaurants, better clothes, Ubers instead of Subway because time is money now. Within 12 months, every dollar of that raise was already spoken for. Economists call this Parkinson's law. Expenses expand to fill whatever income you give them. Your lifestyle doesn't care how much you make. It just consumes it, and PYMNTS confirms that high earners are twice as likely to cite non-essential spending as why they're broke. You're not irresponsible. You're targeted by every premium option, every upgrade, every you've earned. This message aimed at your tax bracket. Think of it this way. You're holding a bucket under a faucet, more water than most people ever see. The bucket has 20 tiny holes. No single hole is dramatic. Each one seems manageable, but together, the bucket never fills. That's your financial life. Not one catastrophic leak. 20 quiet ones. Villain number 3, the comparison trap. Funded by debt. When you earn 6 figures, you stop comparing yourself to average Americans. You start comparing yourself to other 6-figure earners, and that shift? Financially lethal. Your coworker bought a $750,000 house. Your college friend is on their 3rd international trip this year. Your LinkedIn is drowning in promotions and wins Columbia Business School. Actually researched this. Feeling relatively poor drives people to spend more, not less. Because spending is how we signal I belong here. I'm keeping up. You're not watching people succeed. You're watching a highlight reel funded by debt, and your brain is comparing your backstage to their stage. Worst part, you can't even talk about it. You can't tell someone making $60,000 that you're financially stressed. So you stay quiet, keep spending, keep looking fine, and keep falling behind. Now here's where it gets really dark. Villain number 4, the banks. They know your income, they know your credit score, and they know high earners are the easiest people to overextend because you have just enough income to make minimum payments forever. And just enough pride to never ask for help, so they hand you a $30,000 credit limit. They offer 0% financing on a $5,000 couch. They make debt feel like a financial tool. PYMNTS found 28% of high earners cite heavy debt as the main reason they live paycheck to paycheck. Not one big purchase, 1,000 small ones, each justified, each compounding quietly. One emergency, one medical bill, one job loss, and everything collapses. Because there's no real buffer. Just the hope that nothing goes wrong before Friday. Your financial stress is their business model. And then there's retirement. If you're 45, earning $140,000, with $150,000 saved, you're not on track. You need 25x your annual spending to retire comfortably. Spending $100,000 a year? You need $2.5 million. Most high earners contribute 5 to 8% to their 401k. That's $7,000 to $11,000 a year. Not enough. Some aren't even capturing the full employer match, turning down free money, because their lifestyle already spent it. They built the cage so comfortable. People stop trying to leave. Okay. Stop. We done diagnosing. You didn't click this video to feel worse. It's time to dismantle the trap. With math. With systems. Right now. Step 1. Face your real numbers. No filter. Not your gross. Not your take-home. Your net worth, assets minus debt. And ask, if income stopped tomorrow, how many months can I survive less than 3? That's your starting point. Not your identity, your starting point. Step 2. Audit every expense with one brutal question. Not can I afford this? You're paying it. So obviously yes. Ask, is this building my life or maintaining an image? That $700 car payment, is it transportation or a statement? A reliable used car gets you to the same meetings and frees up $500 a month for real wealth building. That premium apartment, comfort or performance? A slightly less trendy neighborhood might save you $800 monthly. Small decisions, compounding results. Step 3. Automate before money touches your hands. Once you see it, the tax bleed, the lifestyle creep, the debt normalized by good credit, the retirement clock running, you can't unsee it. Most people watching this will recognize themselves completely. Close the tab. Change nothing. Because the trap is comfortable. That's the whole point. But if you actually run the numbers today, ask the hard question about every line item. Set up the automation before this week ends. Your financial life in 5 years looks completely different. You already have the most important piece, the income. Now decide, are you going to keep giving it away? Or start keeping it? If this hit, the next video shows you exactly how to build a budget that actually works on a 6-figure income, not the generic advice made for someone earning half what you do. It's right here. Watch it.